The first step in self-custody is to download a crypto wallet, and the most commonly used product is MetaMask. These wallets, on desktop, operate as browser extensions, and these are the steps to install MetaMask on Chrome, which we recommend. The steps to install MetaMask in other browsers will be very similar. Many of these steps will apply directly to all common browsers across any operating system. Step 1. Download MetaMask browser extension in the web store. Make sure you choose the correct browser extension. It should have over 5,000 reviews. MetaMask itself is safe. Just remember, there is no support team, and you should never share your seed phrase. Ever. You will then be offered the chance to read the terms and conditions before clicking Create a new wallet. The import an existing wallet is an option for experienced user to migrate their crypto, private keys, from another wallet provider to MetaMask. Ignore this option for now. Step 2. Create password and secure your wallet. The password you create only works on this individual device but allows you to open your wallet more easily. If someone finds out your password, they can only access your wallet and funds, but only from this individual device. The next step is called securing your wallet and involves you writing down your secret recovery phrase, also called seed phrase. This is the most important part of self-custody. Never lose your seed phrase, and never tell anyone your seed phrase. Watch the security video. Read the information. Your seed phrase is your money. Lose it, or lose control of it, and you will lose all your money. Once you've completed these steps, click Done. Step 3. Connect to PulseChain. Well done! Your wallet is set up. The last step involves connecting to the PulseChain network, as the default setting within MetaMask is to connect to Ethereum. Our application at app.0xcoast.com will automatically connect you to PulseChain when you select it at the top of the site. Don't worry. It's easy. Click the top left, where it says Ethereum mainnet, and search to scroll down to PulseChain. If you have any issues with this, you can click at a custom network and enter these details. Sometimes browser extensions aren't always visible on your toolbar. If you can't see the MetaMask icon, click on the Extensions button and you should then see it. If you right-click, you can select Pin, then it will be visible and easy to click at all times.